students. Yesterday we have already learnt about the property of inequality in the sides of a triangle. Okay, if the two sides are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is always greater than the angle opposite to smaller side. That means B will be greater than the C. Okay, so today we are going to learn exactly the different thing, and that is we have given it the two angles of a triangle. Now today we will talk about first angle. The angles are given that these two angles are unequal. That means then the side opposite to the bigger angle will be bigger and the side opposite to smaller angle will be smaller. Okay, so let's write the theorem first. So you have to write this theorem, then we will write what is given. Given is what? That this triangle ABC is random triangle. Okay, it is any triangle. Any triangle means what? If it is equilateral or isosceles, that is not given to us. Okay, so that is any triangle, and this angle B is greater than angle C, that is already given. So what do we need to prove? We need to prove that the side opposite to greater angle, which is greater angle B, and what is the side opposite to it? It is AC. So this AC is greater than the side opposite to smaller angle. So this AC should be greater than the side opposite to smaller angle, which is AB. So this AC is greater than AB, that we need to prove. Okay. So first we will write proof. Now in proof there might be three conditions. Okay, the first condition might be this AC can be smaller than AB, right? Second thing can happen is AC can be equal to AB, and the third thing, you know that this AC can be greater than AB. Okay, these are the three conditions, and we will see every condition one by one. Okay, but before that I want you to pause the video and write down whatever is there on the board, and then we will move towards the proof. So we are starting with the proof. We'll take first condition that AC, this side, is smaller than AB. Now when the side is bigger, okay, that means the angle which is opposite to AB should be bigger, okay, according to this. So I am just going to write according to this. This angle C should be greater than angle B. Okay, but what happens? The angle B is greater than angle C, no? But angle B is greater than angle C. So this is creating contradiction, right? Contradiction means which is not the truth. Okay, the truth is different and this is showing different. So this creates contradiction. You have to write like that. So therefore, this AC which is less than AB, this is wrong. This is not the truth. Okay. Now we'll talk about AC is equals to AB. Now if both the sides are equal, that means both the opposites which are both the angles which are opposite to the side, they should be equal. So that means this angle B should be equal to angle C. Then this happens. But are they equal? No. But this angle B is greater than angle C. This is given. Okay. Here also you have to write what is given. This was given and this was our assumption was showing. Okay. So similarly this is our assumption and this is the given. So therefore AC is equal to AB is wrong. Okay. Now what is the third thing? It is AC greater than AB. Now according to this, which this AC is bigger means angle B should be bigger. Yes, angle B is greater than angle C. Okay, and that is the given thing, right? So therefore AC is equals, AC greater than AB is right, and hence that way we have proved that the angle which is opposite to the side which is opposite to bigger angle is greater, and the side which is opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. Okay, I want you to write down this, so pause the video, write down, and then we'll move further. Okay, so that's it for today, and tomorrow we will start with practice set 3.4. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.